This is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down. And I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there and tell you how I became a Prince of Los Santos, yeah. In Liberty City, I was born and raised. At the Swing Glitch was where I spent most of my days. Flying so high and looking so cool, then killing some bitches, then playing pool. Then a couple of cops popped a cap in my ass, said we had to fucking kill you, you drive too fast. Jumped in one flight and I didn't get scared. I'm going to be the biggest thing in Los Santos, yeah. I whistled for a cab and when it came near, the fucker ran me over, saw a pissed in his ear. If anything I could say that this place is weird, but I thought, man, forget it, Los Santos, yeah. I drove up to my house at 400K and I yelled to my homies, yo ho, here's a green egg. I climbed through the wreckage and I'm finally there to blow some shit up in Los Santos, yeah.